Here are some tools and tips for making your own tutorials. Tutorials can be super useful to demonstrate a process, explain a concept, show how to do something, or just point something out. Video tutorials can be very useful to show things to other people when you can't be in the same room with them. They can also be very useful for students who have a short attention span or difficulty reading lengthy instructions. Whether you'd like to create a micro video showing a single narrow topic in less than 30 seconds, a 2 to 3 minute tutorial on a specific process, or a full-length class, there's many tools and techniques to obtain the clarity that you're looking for. I'm going to show you a very quick overview of some of the tools and options. If you'd like to know more about any one of them, or all of these tools and techniques, book me so I can individualize instructions specifically for you or your team. Let's start with the app that I'm using right now. It's called TouchCast, and it can be found for students in the self-service and for teachers in the App Store for free. It looks like this right up here. TouchCast has a teleprompter, so I won't lose my place or forget what I'm saying, and I can also show things on the screen, like this. And it also has many other useful features, such as the auto green screen, which shows the clouds behind me, or a built-in whiteboard, which I can show you also. Here we go. I can say, oh, 50. And I can use my arrows to point at things or circle things right while I'm showing it to students. I also could use glass and show these things right in front of me. Those are just a couple of the many things you can do with TouchCast. But now let's look at another one. Another super useful tool you can use is Explain Everything, and you can find that in self-service. It should be on the teacher iPads. I can add many things to the screen to be helpful. I can put in images that are existing, backgrounds, I can add text, I can draw, large or small. I can add shapes of any sort and record them moving if I want to point something out. Maybe that's all I want to do. I could also even add a video of my face talking while I'm recording. Another thing I can do is show a website, and this is an actual live website that I went through, and I can scroll through the website and point things out to students. I can make it larger. I can make the whole window larger. I can show them where to click to change things, such as the Lexile, and it will show up live on their website. I can highlight text, or I can use my pointer tool to follow along. These are just a few of the very many things that Explain Everything can do. Another tool you can use is Screencastify. So if I want to just show you something quickly, like how to force people to make a copy when I share this, I'm going to show you how to do this, and you're watching with Screencastify. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to go over to an email to send it to you, and you get in here. I'm going to paste it, and then instead of edit on the end, I'm going to put copy. Of course, the old link stays in there, so I'll have to link it, unlink it, remove, and then link it again. There you go. And now, when someone clicks on it, it forces them to make a copy. Would you like to make a copy? Whether you want to simply show something on your screen or make a full-on news report, whatever it is you want to show other people, there's so many ways to do that. And just a few that we have: Explain Everything, TouchCast, QuickTime, recording your screen on the iPad, recording your Mac screen with Screencastify or QuickTime, Skitch, and when you're all ready, I can also show you how to edit with iMovie and share it with others using YouTube.